Hello students, welcome in the class. Today our topic is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous refers to a duration of an event taking place before a certain time in the past. Means in this tense we found some work, the duration of that work which has already completed in the past. If you see the Hindi sentences of past perfect continuous tense, you will find रहा था रही थी in the end. But रहा था रही थी with time. You will find time also in past perfect continuous tense. Time will also be given in the sentence. Now you can see the example. मैं एक घंटे से अपनी किताब पढ़ रहा था. यू कैन सी देयर रहा था. राधा सोमवार से स्कूल जा रही थी. रहा था रही थी इज देयर बट देयर इज गिवन टाइम ऑल्सो. दैट्स वाई इट इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. If the time is not there, then it will be the example of past continuous tense. So, you will find रहा था रही थी and time in the sentence in this kind of sentence. We use had been as helping verb with all the subjects. Because time is given in the sentence, that's why we have to use since and for also in this sentence. Since is used with point of time, means if we find any certain time, fixed time, then we use since. Like if I say Radha सोमवार से स्कूल जा रही थी, there is a correction in school, it is Adasha. So Somar, it is a certain time, it is a point of time because there is a surety of day. That's why we use since Monday. Like this, Radha had been going to school since Monday. And if the period of time is given, then we have to use for. Like in the first sentence you can see मैं एक घंटे से अपनी किताब पढ़ रहा था. So its translation will be I had been reading my book for 1 hour. Because in 1 hour we cannot say anything for sure. Means which day is this and what is the time. It is the time of morning or evening, means nothing is sure. It is a period of time only. That's why we have to use for. So you can say since is used with certain time and for with uncertain or period of time. Now see the structure of affirmative sentences of past perfect continuous tense. So the structure is subject, had been, ing form of verb, object, since, for and time. You can see the example. She had been singing song for 2 hours. She is subject here, had been is helping verb, singing main verb, song is object, and for 2 hours. Here 2 hours, it is a period of time, that's why we use for here. Next example, we had been going to school since Monday. So you can see Monday. Monday is a fixed time. So we have to use since here as it is a point of time because here we are sure about the day at least. Now see the negative structure of the sentence. In the negative sentences we have to use not, and not is used just after the had. See, subject, had, not, and then been, ing form of verb, object, since for, and then time. Since for is used according to the time. See the example. Mohan had not been reading his book for 2 hours. So again 2 hours, it is a period of time. That's why we have to use for here. He had not been studying in that school since 2012. So in 2012, there is a surety of year. That's why we have to use since. Now interrogative sentences. As you know, there are two types of interrogative sentences. In Hindi, if you find kya in the beginning of the sentence, or second type of interrogative has any interrogative word in mid of the sentences. So at first we will see the first type. If you find kya in the beginning of the Hindi sentence, then you have to translate it with the helping verb. Like had, subject, been, ing form of verb, object, since and for according to time, and then in the last time. And in the last you have to use question mark also. as it is interrogative sentence. See the example. Had your sister been cleaning this room since morning? So here you can see we use subject between had and been. Means we have to use had first, then subject, and then been, and then ing form of verb, object, since, and morning. We use since here because it is a point of time. See the second example. Had the police been running after the thief for 2 hours? So again 2 hours it is a period of time and we use for with it. Now see the second type of interrogative that has an interrogative word in between the sentence if the sentence is in Hindi. So we follow this structure. At first we have to write the meaning of that question word and then had, subject, been, ing form of verb, object, since, for, and time, and in the last question mark. See the example. What had you been doing there since last week? Or who had been calling him for 10 minutes? So you can see very easily that we have to use at first interrogative word and then had, then subject, and then been, and then other words. Here again we use since because here is last week. Last week, there is a surety in last week that we are talking about the last week that has passed. And here we use for because 10 minutes are given. There is means it is a period of time, nothing for sure. That's why we use for here. Thank you.